Check out this low-carb, high-fiber cinnamon roll hack that's so delicious. Have you seen those low-carb cinnamon rolls? It's a cinnamon roll hack that gives you the essence of eating a gooey cinnamon roll without all the carbs and the sugars. I'm going to make a version that is a lower carb version of what I've seen without using a lot of the, I don't like to use like the sugar replacements, but I'm going to use a healthier option with a little bit of coconut sugar. I am going to make the icing with this confectioner's sugar, which is Swerve confectioner's sugar, but here's how it starts. And I can't even condone the zero carb tortillas. The list of ingredients, that you're kind of picking your poison here, but the list of ingredients is not clean. So if you want to use regular tortillas, you can do that. Try to find the kind that don't have the seed oils in them. But these have 14 grams per tortilla, 14 grams of fiber per tortilla. So they are loaded, and I'm gonna use 2 tortillas for these wraps, and it can be a snack for probably 2 people. It'll be plenty. But actually, it starts with softened cream cheese, and I'm gonna spread the softened cream cheese on this tortilla that I have here. And I wanna set aside a little bit of the cream cheese to make a lovely cream cheese icing. I might not need all of this, but just spread it. And this is gonna give you some protein as well. This will be like a cream cheese cinnamon roll situation. And if you want to use a sugar substitute, you can, but I'm going to use some coconut sugar, which has a beautiful flavor to it, nice and caramelized, and that's plenty. You don't need a whole lot just because the flavor of this is so good. Then I'm going to do a decent amount of cinnamon, and cinnamon actually gives the illusion of sweetness just because we affiliate it with sweet things, even though it's not at all sweet. And then I lay the second tortilla on top. And then I just want to roll it up nice and tight. Tuck and roll and tuck and roll. Okay. So there is my tortilla. Then I just need to slice it into like the pinwheels that look cinnamon rollish. I think I'll get 3 out of each half. So here we go, that's what they look like when you slice them. Then I just need to place them in my air fryer basket. Got a little bit of parchment paper going down. I'm just gonna nestle them in together. So that's what they look like. I'm gonna spray them with just a little bit of cooking spray. I always use the clean kinds, avocado or olive oil. And this is gonna go into my air fryer for probably about 7 minutes. Oops, watch out, I hit your head. Okay. Well, grandson Rowan just joined me to make the icing for these cinnamon rolls, and he's stirring some cream cheese that we softened just slightly. Can I put a little sprinkle of cinnamon in here?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. About that much. And then we need just a tiny bit of maple syrup. Do you want to put in just a little bit of this?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Put in just a little drizzle. Be careful because it'll come out fast. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that's good. I just wanted the flavor of the maple syrup. Okay. Continue to stir it up. Our cinnamon rolls are almost done. Oh, that's looking good already. Okay, and then I'm gonna put, this is the Swerve confectioner's sugar. Now when you stir this, you have to stir it real slow so it doesn't get all over you, okay? We just need a little bit. These cinnamon rolls are already gonna be plenty sweet. Ooh, that's looking really good. And if you need to thin it out, because I do want it drizzly, I need just a little bit of milk.
Yes.
Do you want to pour in a little bit of this milk?
Yes.
Okay, I'll hold this for you, just a tiny bit. You can do it, I know, because you're strong. You just graduated pre-K, that's good. Perfect. Ooh, look how good that looks, buddy. Okay, you finish stirring, and I'm gonna get these cinnamon rolls out of the air fryer. There are our cinnamon rolls. They're crispy, oh my goodness, just the exterior, and really gooey and melty in the middle. Okay, now you know what we get to do? You get to drizzle this over these.
Okay.
You want me to show you how?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take this spoon. You did a good job of mixing it. Look how beautiful that drizzly icing is. So you take a spoonful and you just like drizzle it over like that.
Okay.
Okay? All right, go for it, bud. Here. Lick it. It's good.
No.
You'll like it. You can taste it? Look. It's icing. You like icing. Oh, for Pete's sakes. If you drizzle it, I'm gonna eat one.
No.
Then we'll save some for Mommy. Mommy went to the gym, so she will appreciate this low-carb cinnamon roll when she gets back. You want me to put some more on your spoon so you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, watch this. Scoop it up, now do it. Whoa, buddy, get that one. Oh, that's so good. Oh my goodness. Rowan, these look amazing. Okay, I'm gonna try one.
No.
Oh my goodness, so good. Wow. And that icing on there is so delicious. Okay, let me help you. Okay. Whoa. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
All right, you gotta check this out. This is actually a really nice low-carb treat. And okay, and just look, the cinnamon and that drizzly icing is phenomenal. This is a great low-carb treat, and you're gonna love them. Check the recipe out. It's on tk30.com. I'm gonna have another one.